My name is Amy, and I am 14 years old. My stepmother really hated me, so I decided to move out. Let me tell you the story from the beginning. I had a father who used to love my mother so much, but unfortunately, my mother died in a car crash. After 5 years from the incident, my father found the perfect woman. I was never against the idea of my dad remarrying, as he has the right to fall in love again. I met my stepmother before she moved into our house. I thought she was okay. She moved in the first couple days was great, but after a week, she started forcing me to clean the dishes. I mean, not just the dirty ones, but every dish in the kitchen. She even made me clean the whole entire house alone, and she would just sit on her phone texting and laughing with her friends, or even drinking her cup of coffee during the afternoon. I was worse than a maid, and if I said no, she would hit me with the belt and tell my father that I was yelling at her and hitting her. I wasn't allowed to do my homework or even dare to say I wanted to go to school. I did miss my friends. I couldn't take it anymore. I called my grandparents and told them the whole story. They welcomed me to move in with them. They even allowed me to go back to school and to focus on my grades. They also tried to talk out my dad from the situation, but he was too afraid he would be alone and too blinded. He even accused me of not listening to my horrible stepmother, and he said that I chose to be the bad girl. And until today, I still live with my grandparents. Obviously, it has its own difficulties, but it's much better than living with my stepmother. Have you ever had a similar situation? Make sure to leave it in the comments below.